day 5 of our Advent calendar countdown. Let's see what surprise is behind today's door. Let's open door 5. Look, it's a card making activity. We're going to make holiday cards for our friends and family. We need some colored paper, markers and stickers. Let's fold our paper to make a card. Now let's decorate the front of our cards. You can draw, write a message, or use stickers. What will you put on yours? Look at our amazing cards. You can give them to someone you love this holiday season. Thanks for crafting with me today. We'll find out what surprise is waiting for us. Bye for now.